working today on a 2011 Audi A4. Just wanted to show you guys the problem I was having. Hopefully some of you guys can take advantage of the video and learn from this. So the problems that I was having is an oil leak from the top. As you can see, it's getting all my engine wet, and of course it's gonna destroy the rest of the surrounding parts. So what I was is the upper chain cover gasket, and I already took the piece off. I kind of cleaned it up already as well. And you're gonna have 5 bolts to take out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're gonna be 10, so socket size 10, and 3 bolts as well right here. 1, 2, 3. Another thing that you gotta take out to get the gasket out is gonna be 2 bolts from this. I believe it's for the oil. To measure the oil, you're gonna have 1 bolt up here and 1 bolt down by the oil filter. It's gonna be this one right here. Alright, so a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts and 5 bolts for the gasket. Now this is the old gasket. Is worn out. It's very dry, brittle. Matter of fact, it broke whenever I took it out. Worth replacing it. It's all dirty and full of oil. And this is the new one. I bought this from Amazon. It was only like 20 bucks. And you're also gonna have the gasket here, the middle part as well. So 2 gaskets that we need to replace. No, I did find out about in a couple of other places, parts and labor. It was gonna be about 400 bucks. And it's not that bad to take out. Just gonna have to have a little bit of patience. These bolts are very easy to take out. The one that I have problems with it was this one right here, because this was on the way. So you need to take this out first and then remove that bolt, and the whole thing just pops out. Before putting it on, just make sure you clean it off really well, especially inside of the fitting for the gasket. You don't want to have any debris or dirt. Just clean it off really well before putting that on, and let's see how it goes whenever I put it all back together. Alright guys, so right before I put this on, I just want to show you how the gasket sits. You're gonna have 5 bolts all around it. Now just keep in mind, this gasket, it's like 2 lines running around it that goes on the outside, and then you have this part right here that is gonna sit on it. Now it's a matter of wiggling this thing back in here and putting it all back together. Alright guys, well, we finally got everything back on. I got the 3 bolts right there, the one at the bottom right there, and all 5 bolts tight. It's supposed to be 6.6 pounds of torque on the bolts. They do have a sequence, that one, then the bottom right, then the top, and then the bottom up there. As you can see, there's no leaks right now, so hopefully that took care of the problem, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.